Hi, it's Ben from Startup Sesame, and today we're going to talk about a conference classic, hacking the hashtag. The rise of a more lifestyle type of social media may have had you thinking that Twitter was dead, but nothing could be further from the truth. Trade shows, conferences, and other professional events are still big on social media, and especially Twitter. So don't believe the hype, you are actually missing out a big part of the conversation. If you don't want to miss any networking opportunity, I suggest you start tweeting at least 1 week before the event starts. And then once you're there, 1 or 2 tweets won't do the job. We're looking at 15 to 20 tweets per day for you to stand out. Apart from commenting on the event, let the people know what you do and where to find you. Of course, don't forget to use the official event hashtag. To sum things up, hacking the hashtag is a classic that works very well in events still today. So next time you're at one, don't forget to tweet. Make your brand visible to other participants and engage with them. Hi again, I hope you liked today's event hack. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting new videos every week. We're also very active on LinkedIn. I'll leave the link in the description box. See you very soon. Bye.